Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you what the PDF Butler document selector can do. It is called the file selector when you get into the components. So files can be saved into Salesforce, but often you want to continue the journey with them, perhaps emailing them, obviously with the email templates that you've already made, or sending them off to Sign Butler. So we've already got these couple created, and the element that you're going to want to put in, as I said, was the file selector. So if I already got that in here, and I've already got a pack in which is going to allow us to mail these off. Each of these is explained, so you can have the max number of things that you want to kind of show at one time, in case you've got lots and lots of files. This will take over the page. You've also then got the locale, if you want to use that, obviously with your emails that are going out or anything else. And then this is about working with very large files as well. And then this last one is explained if you're going to be using this element in a community, so Experience Cloud or a flow, then you're going to want to put that expression in. As you can see there, the record ID shortcut. So I've already got my pack in there, but that's obviously going to be unique to you. That's what you'll need to put in, so you've got some options when you actually click on these. If I go back to the page, then what I can do, perhaps the customer is saying, oh, I actually want that signed version, I can't find it. That's fine, you can go into here, click it, press mail, and that's going to send that off. And that is the element in full.